Video will show the daily activities for science vocabulary. You can see I have a sample science journal from last year. Every day the kids will have 15 minutes to complete their word work for the day. For science, I can start before the bell rings, and then I'll have 15 minutes at science time. You can see I have a blank journal with the margin over here. You're going to write the date on the left hand side as you look at it, and their name on the right hand side as they look at it. You can see the name goes over here and the date goes here, and then right underneath the date they're going to write the words for that day. And I'll just give you a sample: ecology, ecosystems, biomes, and they'll write all the words for the day. Usually they'll have between 4 to 5, sometimes I'll have a few more. The first day they had 7 words, so they would write all of those down before they begin. After they've written all of them down, and they want to make sure they keep them on the in the margin on the other side of the pink line, so they can use this space to create the activity. The activity is a 4 square, and the 4 square involves 4 things. Obviously, they can do it any way that they like to make sure that it's efficient. They can create a box. They don't need the box at all. In one box goes the word ecology. Another box would be the definition, use it in a sentence, and then to draw a picture of what that looks like. It's not an art class, however the drawing does need to represent accurately what ecology is. And they'll do that for all of the words and take up as much space as they need. They use both sides of the paper. When they finish the vocabulary for that day, then we'll start a science lesson, and those notes that we take from under the science lesson will go directly underneath the vocabulary. The vocabulary for the day will be used in the lesson, so it's important that the kids have the words down so they can see them as I reference them during the lesson. This is something they'll do every single day during science. For all 4 science units, the vocabulary is very critical for end-of-grade tests, and doing 4 squares is a research best practice for learning and being able to incorporate vocabulary into their lab work, which we'll discuss in another video.